Mamey Sapote, the national fruit of Cuba, is a tropical fruit that is popular in Central America and the Caribbean. It is also grown in the United States in temperate areas of South Florida, California, Texas, and Hawaii. They always have a saying in life, the most important thing for your body to live a healthy lifestyle is the hardest thing to come by. 90% of us around the world get up in the morning and we eat fried stuff, fried bacon, fried eggs, which are all still good for healthy lifestyle. But most important fruits and vegetables around the world that is rich in oxidants and amino acid and so forth are basically low in resources, meaning you do not find them on a regular scale. Some soil conditions for some of these fruits are not easy. Regardless of the different type of soil, the climate condition have to match with the soil content and sometimes location around the world in order for some of these very rich fruits to grow properly and bear properly. So that makes most quality fruits hard to come by. And if you do source this kind of fruits, it's basically in high demand, low amount, and high prices. So in most cases, it's good to grow your own fruits if you're in a tropical country. So this video here is about the health benefits of Mamey Sapote. And the health benefits is out of the roof. But like I said, everything you do it in moderation. Let's take some of the important part of eating this food, Mamey Sapote. It helps with your stool, and once you have free bowel movement, you have A1 top quality healthy lifestyle. A lot of people don't understand that once all part of your body system is working efficiently, then you are living healthy. Once anyone stops, then now it causes a rippling effect and affects other organs inside your body. So in this way, it prevents other issues like hemorrhoids. It also helps with your digestive tract, both large and your small intestine, your villi or villus. And it also improves skin conditions. Due to the rich condition, Mamey Sapote fruit can supply many other vitamins, minerals, antioxidants your body needs to keep your skin growing and growing smooth. It also helps with nails, growing healthy toe and fingernails, and protect against ultraviolet UV for damaged skin. But in moderation, because just 100 grams of this beautiful fruits is packed rich with protein, a little fat, carbohydrates, fibers, vitamin B6, vitamin C. They have copper, which is high, which is very good, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, iron, and much more. It's a tropical fruit, and they are very highly nutritious. So you should take a try and have yourself a good one from Gardening with Chris.